up, guys? Chronic the Gamer here, back with another Let's Play episode 7, guys. You guys see I have the path built. I built the path off screen, and now we're gonna be building the mob grinder, guys. We're gonna be building the mob grinder. Okay, let's do that and that. Okay. Gotta place it like a boss. Boss to eat applesauce. Boss. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's how are we gonna do this? Gotta make an opening for the path, but we don't want it to be where they can spawn outside the path. Or we don't want them to be able to spawn in here with us. Let's see. Gonna need to put a double chest right here. Okay, so they won't be able to come through here. Now we gotta make it so that they won't be able to spawn in here. This is just enough room for them to spawn. We don't want that. Don't want them to be able to spawn above our heads. Let's see. Because if we do it wrong, then let's break this down. Make the entrance right here. Okay, so that can be the entrance. Okay, so mark this off. Boom, now they can't spawn in here. It's not big enough for them. They're too fat. They're too fat. Just get a door right here. Have a mob grinder right here. Let's do this, guys, so they can't spawn. I hate when spiders spawn all the way up there. Or climb all the way up there. Or maybe I could just take these two chests out and use those as our double chest. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Do this on screen. Guys, you could kind of tell that I didn't do this though, because I suck at placing blocks randomly. It's just like, if I'm placing them, I'm not doing it randomly because I'm trying to place them on purpose, so how would I be, yeah, and I just suck at it, guys. Let's do this, one more layer, so they'll be at our level. That right there, and that right there. Now I'm able to go through here. And let's come behind it and do this. Block all this right here off, so they won't be able to go far. So we won't have to go in here at all. Oh no, wait, but I can't leave that open because it's something. Yeah, I can't leave this open right here. Then I'll just be able to. Oh, but I have to block this off too. So yeah, we want to make it so that we won't have to go in here at all. There. And we could just kill him from here. I'm gonna go get some wood so I can make a door. Guys, see, I got the path done. I got the path done. Oh, nope, I failed. I fell. Oh my god, I'm so laggy right now, guys. Okay. It's kind of fixed for now. Now we need to go get some wood for a door. Okay. This way. Good, Chronic. Good. Alright, this is where the path ends, because right here I know my way back, so. I hate the lag though, guys. I really do. I might be recording a Five Nights at Freddy's episode later. Where do I keep our wood? Okay, I can use this stuff for a door because they don't have specific doors now, so I can see that to make like that. Maybe I should bring some more wood down here just in case. Just in case. Bring some of this down here just in case. Then we're gonna test it out, guys. Make sure it actually works. Because we want them to spawn in that one area, so we won't have to go in there to fight them. Like, they'll be right there, so then as soon as they spawn, I can hit them and they'll just automatically aggro on me. So, we're gonna have that, guys. This would be our main source of experience now. So, yeah, guys, yeah, we're gonna be XP'd up. So now, guys, we're pretty much set. We really don't need anything else. Right now, we're just waiting for the update. So when the update comes out, we're gonna spend a lot of time up in here, guys. A lot of time. Okay, now do this. Wait, they can probably spawn through here, though, can't they? Through the wall. We don't want them to do that, because we don't want to go out there and get wrecked by some spiders. Some spider dicks. I don't want to get wrecked by this spider dick. And Spoder. Spoder. You don't want to get wrecked by a Spoder. Come on, guys, let's test it out. Let's test it out, guys. You guys ready? We're gonna turn difficulty on for this, guys. Oh, why am I going in chat? Wait, what? Okay, it works pretty well, guys. But we don't want pretty well. Okay, there we are. I have to block off that wall, too. Okay, they can't reach us, but... Okay, we're gonna have to block off this wall, too, guys. Okay, now let's try again. So now they should only spawn in here. Hold up. Do that. Okay. Now let's try. They aren't spawning. Okay, there it is. They're not gonna spawn very fast though, are they? Okay guys, this would be really good right here. Let's light up this up in here though. Light it more back here. See guys, we don't even have to go in there. But they do spawn pretty slow now. Okay, yeah, it works, guys. It works. Luis Simos, we did it. Hooray. And this is pretty much the only place they can spawn because they need a 4x4 place to spawn. So that's exactly 4x4. So we did it, guys. We did it. Luis Simos, we did it. Hooray! Now let's show our belly buttons and walk around with a monkey in boots. Why does Dora always have those little shirts on? Why does her parents let her wear that? She's like 7 and she's wearing tube tops. Like, why is that? Why is that? And people always saying us black people are ratchet. But look at her. She's a little girl with a shirt on. It's like the size of... It's like that's her only shirt she's ever had. Like, that's her first shirt she got. Like, it comes way past her belly button. Like, she's trying to go out to a club, to a young people club, and then she walks around with a monkey that has only boots on. Like, why do you even trust your daughter around a monkey with boots? And then it's like she has on that little shirt. Like, well, anyways, guys, we just had a conversation about Dora. Alright, I forget. I found some stuff in there. Some stoof. I found some stoof. Some stoofage stoof. Let's see. I already got some iron in here. Still don't have enough to make another gold block. Let's make some iron blocks. Those up in there, put those up in there, put that up in there, put that up in there, put those up in there. Okay, we're gonna end it for this episode, guys.